play again. Hi guys, long time no see. Matagal akong hindi napag-vlog kasi busy. So now pupunta kami ng birthday ng classmate ni Jake. Ito yung gift niya. Punta kami sa Salinas. See you there. Bye. Halapan ng farm dito, Christine. Laki ng farm dito, banda. Ang laki ng farm dito. Where's your gift, Jake? Morning? No. Why? No? Why? Go to the mall. Big mall. Up North Street. What's the name of that? So Jake's looking for the shoes. Christine? Come on. Yeah, we bring over there. You're running right away. Jake, you want money? Money? Do you have money? Do you have money there? Okay. Be careful when you play, okay? Where do you put your shoes? Just leave it there? Okay. Do you have money, huh? Yeah. Or I give you money? Tell me if you need me, huh? If you need money, call me. Okay, good. Enjoy your soccer. They bring bowling. Yeah, they play bowling. There's some food here. It's pizza.
I'm still doing it.
They go, please. I will show you. Here's the gift, and there's the friends of gift is here. Take playing the bowling. Block. Play again.
It's like really cute.
Yeah, I think inside with the avocado, chicken.
Did you ask?
Wasabi. Both inside. Okay, the last one. Don't eat. Stop it.
No, why? I'm full.
I give this. I give the Jake. Huh? I give the
I
Jake.
didn't know they had that.
Look.
I don't.
Give the Jake.
I'm gonna throw up.
Fingers. meaning to say, when we go, we leave already
Just that.
40 minutes. And then when you go there, you just grab your shoes and then no more food.
Oh, they brought the cupcakes before I came in. I mean, after I came in.
Oh.
I came in and like a few minutes after they bring in cupcakes. And this had a these. There's cupcakes with like little characters.
Oh, I see, I see. So how about your bowling? Did you strike? No.
No, I already told
But did you hit? Ah, it's good, huh? This is how many? That's your first time or what?
you. Yeah.
First time?
Oh, that's really my first time.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's my first time.
The ball is heavy or light?
Obviously, it was
Very lucky. Why you guys gotta use your own shoes? Why you need to use their shoes? Huh?
the floor's the
It's not allowed. Oh, have you tried also? Once in Monterrey?
Okay, what if you bring your own shoes this?
Yeah. That's why, you know, Jake, he grabbed the shoes in the locker and he ran away with her going to the bowling and then he changed it the shoes. I said, be careful, this hat.
It's a him.
Oh, yeah.
That was the birthday before.
She is the one, the birthday?
It's a him.
No, it's she.
No, it's a him.
No, she go in the locker. She's the one.
No, it's a him, Dad.
Oh, not her?
No.
Oh, that's the other one. You,
No, that's a him.
did you remember the lady, the girl pick up you?
Yeah, that's a him. That's the birthday boy.
Hey, it's a lady, man. How you see man?
It's a guy.
It's a guy, long hair?
Yeah.
Really? Huh? What? What is it? Kristen, be careful. You walking, watching your phone. Guys, uuwi na kami. Tapos ng birthday ng kaibigan ni Jake. Anong oras mo? 50? 50?
Oh,
I can. Alright. Tatapusin ko na. Shout out sa lahat dyan nga nanonood. Thank you very much for your support, guys. See you in the next vlog. Okay? Thank you. Bye.